How to avoid tolls on Uber Driver app. Open the Uber Driver app on your smartphone and sign in if you haven't already. Go to the app settings and find the navigation preferences section. Set your default navigation app to Google Maps or Waze, since these apps offer an option to avoid toll roads. Open Google Maps or Waze separately and enable the avoid tolls option in their navigation settings before you start driving. Once a trip is accepted, politely communicate with your passenger about avoiding toll roads and confirm if they agree to potentially a longer route. Use your chosen navigation app during the ride to manually adjust your route if a toll is suggested, choosing toll-free alternatives when safe and practical. Always prioritize passenger safety and time. If avoiding tolls creates unsafe or excessive long routes, it's better to take the toll road. Keep in mind that Uber automatically calculates and reimburses any toll charged during your trip, so inform passengers up front about route and fare implications. As a best practice, monitor your toll expenses regularly to decide if avoiding tolls saves you money overall. Subscribe.